Sydney, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer, and I am here with your plank finisher. So if you're done with the rest of your workout for the day, come meet me down on your mat and we're gonna work out those abs really quick. We have 3 exercises that we're gonna repeat on each side, 30 seconds of each exercise. Then we're gonna do just a 30-second plank hold, and then we'll have a break for 1 minute and we'll repeat that all again. So let's get started. We're gonna start today with a regular mountain climber, reaching across our body and touching the opposite elbow. Try to keep that body in a nice neutral position, straight spine, as you crunch that knee up to that elbow. All right, we're gonna switch. Start pumping that knee to the same elbow. If you're on your right leg, you're pumping that right knee up to your right elbow. Keep breathing. Just trying to work those abs at a variety of angles here. All right, and we're gonna switch into a spider climber. So bringing that leg around the outside of your body and tapping that same elbow. All right, and 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Just gonna relax for a few seconds here, and then we're gonna hop right into the left side. All right, let's get set back up. Ready, set, and go. Right back into those traditional mountain climbers, but we're on our left side. All right, and switch. We're now pumping that knee right up to the same elbow. If you can't quite touch your elbow, that's okay. Just go as far as you can. The most important thing is that you're holding that form. And switch. Right into that spider climber. I'll switch angles here so you guys can see what I'm doing. We're just bringing that left leg right along the outside of our body, right to that same elbow. And rest. Right, shake it out a little bit. We're gonna bring it down to the floor for a 30-second plank, and then we'll have a 1-minute rest. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold that core nice and tight. Keep those abs engaged. Your butt should be tucked. We don't want that butt sticking up in the air. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew, and release. All right, guys, settle in. We have a 1-minute rest here. Just relax. Feel free to grab some water. Just lay down. Stretch it out. You guys are doing great. Only 1 more round of this workout. It's really quick, but effective, right? You can already feel the burn. with our rest. All right, guys, a few more seconds before we get started here. Let's get set up. Gonna start right back in on that right side. And 3, 2, 1. Starting off with those mountain climbers. Crossing that right leg over to the opposite elbow. Just rest right here in plank position. All right, guys, switching to those spider climbers. Come on, just 30 more seconds. Bring it on down. Whew. Good job, guys. Shake it out. About to switch right over to that left side. Whew. Really feeling that burn. Let's keep working through the burn. All right, let's get started. Right back into those mountain climbers on that left side. Stretch it out and switch. Pumping it up to that same elbow. Come on, guys, you've got this. Onto that last spider climber. Five more seconds. Down. All right, guys. Whew. Wiggle it out. 5 more seconds. Right into that plank. And go. Just 30 more seconds, and we'll be done. Come on, guys, keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Stretch it out. If your arms are feeling up to it, press up and do a little back extension. Stretch out those abs. Stretch out that lower back. Whew. All right, bring it back for me into a little child's pose. Catch your breath. Just sink into the ground. All right, awesome job, you guys. I'm so proud of you for doing that today. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.